Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Groner, and I'm here to talk to you today about adjectives. Adjectives are super fun words. They're words that describe. They make your speaking and your writing so much more interesting. When we use adjectives, we can choose the simplest adjectives, but then we can also use some even better, bigger, more interesting words. Let me show you how it works. If we think about the word big, it's one of the simplest words out there. You can say the big cat, the big giant, the big boy, the big girl, the big dog, the big pillow. Very simple. But there's so many more words that are even better we can use for the word big to make our speaking and writing more interesting. Let's take a look. All of the words on the list also mean the same thing as big. So here they are. Enormous, gigantic, giant, large, huge, massive, great, immense, monstrous, and tremendous. All of those words mean big, but they sound so much more interesting when you say them. Let's take a look at how it works in a sentence. If I say, the blank giant said, "I'll grind his bones to make my bread," I can use any of the words from my list in the place of the blank to make it more interesting. The big giant said, "I'll grind his bones to make my bread." The enormous giant said, "I'll grind his bones to make my bread." The gigantic giant said. The large giant said. The huge giant said. The massive giant said. The great giant said. The immense giant said. The monstrous giant said. Or the tremendous giant said, "I'll grind his bones to make my bread." Today, I want you to try to write a few sentences using other adjectives that mean big. You can use my sentence. The blank giant said, "I'll grind his bones to make my bed." You can even write your own sentence. The blank dog ran. Make it simple or make it hard. Use those adjectives that mean big. Thank you. See you soon.